Struggling to find the ideal student haven in Winchester? Meet Cathedral Point, your ultimate solution for stylish, stress-free living. Explore a selection of chic studios and convenient en-suites, each crafted for your ultimate comfort. Relax in a plush bed and keep your belongings neatly stowed away with ample storage options. But there's more. Focus on your studies in the tranquil study room equipped with super-fast Wi-Fi. On weekends, unleash some fun in the game area or take a stroll in the spacious courtyard. And with all utilities included, you'll have more to spend on what you love. Prime location? Absolutely. Just moments from the University of Winchester. Commuting is a breeze. Enjoy a meal at nearby restaurants like Fort Kitchen or the Dispensary Kitchen. For a night out, the King Alfred Pub awaits. Need groceries? Sainsbury's is conveniently close. Plus, with excellent transport links such as Worthy Lane Bus Stop being a hop, skip, and jump away, exploring Winchester is easy. So what's keeping you at bay? Elevate your student experience in Winchester. Visit amberstudent.com and claim your spot at Cathedral Point today.